So this is
Sino
Christmas.
kumaka? Ay, si Char. Si Char yung kumanta, guys. So, parang ito yung, Christmas song nila. Alam nyo ba yung, nag-viral sila dati nang dahil din sa mga Christmas song na ina-upload nila. Kasi, guys, I've been a reactor to, Franz Retem for almost, more than a year na. Sobrang tagal na.
What have you done?
Oh, ganda ng boses.
Another
Sila lang dalawa?
year over.
Tik mga be, ang lamig ng boses. So, sila lang dalawa dito ni Chin.
And you've all just begun.
Oh.
So this is Christmas.
Ang galing ng edit. Akala ko sila lang dalawa. Pero kasama pala si Tatay Franz and si Dudes. Ang cute-cute ni Dudes. So, bagay sa kanya yung Christmas na kalo.
I hope you have fun
Yung boses.
when you're in the dear ones. Oh, then the
Oh!
A very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's hope it's a good one without any fear.
So, ang galing talaga ng mga Christmas songs, no? Like, yung mga singer talaga is nagkakaroon yan sila or gumagawa yan sila ng covered song. So, hindi nagpapahuli ang Franz Retem.
So this is Christmas, for weak and for strong, for rich and the poor ones. The world is so wrong. So happy Christmas, for black and for white.
Ang ganda din ng boses talaga. Hindi nagpapatalo ang boses ng ate nila na si Chin. So, akala ko si Char lang yung ka-cover dito, guys. Pero andito din si Chin. My God, nagko-combine yung magaganda nilang boses.
We're yellow and red ones. It's up on the fire.
Andun yung tatay nito.
Merry, Merry Christmas and a Happy New
Loud and clear
Year.
from Char.
Let's hope it's a good one without any fear. So this is Christmas. What have you done?
Sometimes yung editing nila talaga is merong pagbabago, guys. Like, something new. Yung may pa-zoom na. So, kanina din, akala ko is sila lang dalawa ni Chin, si Char and Chin, guys. Pero, andun pala yung apat. Silang apat na magkama.
Another
May pa-zoom effect.
over. You won't just begun. So happy Christmas.
Wow!
Hope you have fun.
Bowling nilang second voice and third voice kasi tatay and si Chin.
You're then the young. A very Merry Christmas
Grabe, ang lakas ni Char.
and a Happy New Year. Let's hope it's a good one without any
Grabe,
fear.
ang lakas ng boses ni Char, guys. Like, ang ganda pakinggan. Acting.
Worries over if you want it. Worries over now.
Oh, yung sabay-sabay nagpa-advance silang guys, regalo sa atin ng Christmas song. Ang Franz Rethel.
So this is Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone.